Hello. This is either the final video or a test, depending on how this goes. I hope you're all doing well, everyone that's watching this. Um, Fish. Anyhow, most of you know me by a different name. Uh, um, well, most of you, yeah. Let's just go. Let's just continue. Yeah, so most of you know me by a different name, and right now I go by the name Rock. Um, those that came up with me from primary school have the other name. So, for those of you that know, good for you. Anyhow, yeah. So my name's Rock. So this video is, let's call it an apology letter slash love letter slash whatever you can think of. This is, let's call it my first official attempt at something I've been thinking about and how to resolve the biggest crux in my life. So if I sent you this video directly, you're most probably like one of those people that has either like chopped my head off for not sending a message, for not checking up, or just for not just saying hey. Um, Jeepers, a lot of you have chopped my head off. Anyhow, and I've been trying to figure out what is the best way for me to go about it, where I can sort of, I guess, keep in touch. Um, and at the end of the day, sadly, and for like the past like 5 years or something like that, and the most recent thing that's been causing my terrible behavior, let's call it that, is when I start building something, I'm gone, right? And I've been working Worklyn for like the past 2 years now. So this has been like the main contributing factor to my terrible, terrible behavior. Once I zone in, I'm in, and there's just no getting me out, right? Um, and it tends to then lead to me not sending messages and saying, hey, because I feel like what I'm working on, you see, it's fun for me, it's amazing for me, right? And the people that this is being solved, the problem is being solved for, isn't really like for everybody, right? At the same time, it is. But anyhow, and I don't want to bombard you with the things that are in my head 24/7, which is, oh hey, I'm trying to figure out how to scale the server so I can handle more users, or like I'm thinking about a button and it's not working the way it should be, or like I'm thinking about the best way to like, I don't know, organize tasks, right? Um, the things I think about and want to talk about are very, very, very specific. My interests have dwindled into this like very particular problem, and so I have nothing to talk about. However, I think this has gone on long enough, and so my way of apologizing and my way of making it up is I'm going to start sharing, I guess, what I'm working on. And if you'd like to talk about it, great. If you want to talk about something else, great. But this is sort of how I'll update you on my life, because this is currently my life, sadly. All day, every day, 24/7, morning to night. Just, just head down, making this happen. Um, so yes. And yeah, if you don't want any of these videos, you can always just send me a message like, yo, Rock, this is not gonna work. Or yo, as you know me. Um, Also, I just want to also say, really, 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 really sorry, Christine. Like, it's been a hectic couple of months. So I'm really sorry. And I hope this works, because this is honestly the best way I know how to be able to be consistent at reaching out. Um, Connection paused. I don't know why the connection paused. Anyhow, let's move on. Let's move on. So yeah. So today I'm just gonna show the very first version of. This is not the very first version. There's a lot of versions. I will try and pin in the video. I believe I took like video recordings of like the various earliest versions of the product. I think my favorite first version of the product. Um, because it had to go out, right? When they teach you all of this, they say, "Oh, hey, build an MVP, build it really quick, just to solve the problem, to see people who need it," right? And the very first version did this like refresh thing. So every time you'd save a task, it would like refresh. And I'm like, yeah, I just want to quickly save the task so that we can get it to do what we need it to do, right? Like once you save the task or pull the task or for you to update it. Um, Boy, did I learn the hard way that just because they say build it quick and the most minimal viable version of it, um, it doesn't mean refresh the page every single time. Just because it's the fastest way to do it without having to write extra lines of code. Then I was still writing code by hand. And yeah, Olivia, our marketing lead, she chopped my head off. Off! Clean! That's when I learned. The bar to building a productivity software is actually really high. And that's a lot of the work that's been going in to make this happen. So I'm going to first create a task, right? Just a basic task. It's called publish this video to everyone I care and know of. Right, it's gonna go create this task. So see before when this happened, whole page refresh. Anyhow, so another reason for like also working on this is everyone. The reason I said everyone is like if for you to achieve anything, this is the most recent lesson, is you need order in your life, right? You need your task managed, your projects managed. Like I've also learned the biggest crux of developers is we don't manage our projects. It's very funny. Like I don't know, this might just be me. Other developers can correct me. Just the developers have been around, but I'm not going to name names. Project managers give us the creeps, but surprisingly, they are very important when you're like trying to work for like an external client, and when you fail at managing the project, the whole thing just goes into shambles, right? It's just sad. But also when you think of it like at a grander scale, like everything that we have in this world was made up through people coming together and getting things done. And that was done with order and like tasks organized and put together, which makes up the project, which actually brings what we see forth, right? And yeah, and I also realized that I would like all of you that I send this to like start using this if you feel like it. If you have your own project management software that you're using, that's cool. If you'd like to keep your, like, have them keep your IP and your ideas to our non-friends overseas, please feel free. I used to be wary about saying, oh hey, if you use the other project management softwares, that I can guarantee you are not, I'm gonna use the word African. They don't have your best interest at heart. They most likely are reading your data, and you probably will pay for it. And people are currently paying, and people's emails are just getting switched up by Microsoft and Google because, well, they just feel like it. But there will be more of that later on as we move forward. So yeah, so this is just publish this video to everyone. So let me just also then just add like some subtasks. This is basic, just basic. Review video, edit video. I think it's the same thing, no? Come up with cover page. I don't know, guys. Please, I'm just figuring this out myself. Okay. Let's continue. Since I don't know, right? Let's chat to the assistant. Let's just go. Hey, right. So most of you, hopefully, most likely, are aware of ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, dependent on who it is the level that you know. And so when you're on our web version, you're talking to ChatGPT, essentially. They call it, ChatGPT has something called a model that's called GPT. We've wrapped our desktop version around that. When you talk to our WhatsApp version, you're pretty much talking to Claude. That one is just because it's directly focused on you, just like managing your tasks and getting things done. But anyhow, how's it going today? I want to publish a video. Not the word. I want to publish a video on, I don't know, on YouTube, and need steps to, I'm sorry guys, I'm so lost here. I need steps to, I don't know, prepare and publish the video. there's like a lot of work that still needs to go into it. So I'll probably send this on a weekly basis. If you've not unsubscribed or told me you just don't want these videos anymore. Um, so I mean, it looks like I wasn't that badly off. So I prepare the video, edit the video, create a story. Oh, write the title and this. Oh, upload what? Upload to you. Visibility and not bad. Okay, cool. That's great. Can you please create these tasks for me? So now it's going to go and create these tasks and I publish this video, right? Still working on making the UI even much better. So yes, another refresh is going to happen. I'm very sorry. But as you can see, it's creating the task, right? Soon you will see your archives updating and telling you things are being updated, right? But you've also got this letting you know that it's creating the task. So it's went and it's created it. In an ideal world, if I opened this, you would have seen them. But let's come to the mobile view, right? I just wanted to also show you what's on mobile, so you're aware that you can use this on the go. So I'm gonna refresh. There was a video which I will add actually. That's okay. I will add it. So let me just go into my inbox. This is what I was worried about. This is so what I was worried about. In the middle of the demo, everything was going well. It's like, I don't want to work today. Actually, there might be a bug because I'm not understanding why it's not showing it. Damn it. Early days, guys. Early days. So it shows and hides. So something is off. I wonder if it's because I'm sharing my screen. I think it's a privacy thing. Nah, can't be. Can't be. Oh, see, this is where we need to leave Apple. Now I can't show you my tasks. Anyhow, let me refresh. Maybe the bug is across everywhere. No, it's not. Anyhow, let's click here. Excuse me. I fear victory. So I mean, it's obviously supposed to be work, and let me just. We left at the delete button, guys. We left at the delete button. I'm so sorry. The delete button will be back. Did we not have a delete button? Anyhow, okay, cool. So there are my ones I added. I also added edit video, and so yeah. See, so the ones that was like prepare video content, create YouTube thumbnail, come up with cover page. That was me again, wasn't it? I even forgot the ones I added myself. Anyhow, we added them, right? So these are the things I need to like go through, right? So after you've had the conversation, you planned everything, I'll come and add them here. What I just want to confirm, so I know, okay, I will need it to add all that extra information it did here, which is very much possible and will be available very soon. But that was pretty much the very first version, right? I'm gonna go tick these things off. Once I've ticked them all off, you guys will have this video in your space and watching. I'm gonna go discover why on mobile this is not showing. I fear it's a privacy thing, which is scary because I don't understand what privacy is. This when I'm the one sharing my doing. But yes, no, thank you so much. If you've watched this far, if you made the time, please let me know if you would like some of these videos. This is really the best way for me to keep you guys up to date with what's going on. In the middle of me demoing, I'll rant about various different things, so you probably catch up on my life in the middle of those rants. And please try out the product. Please try it out. Like I beg. Try it out. Give me some feedback. It's near stable version. It's like I'm happy to say that I'm almost ready to push it to version 1.0. Right now we're on 0.16. But the push is by the end of March it will be in a stable state, like 100% stable, but it is stable right now. So you can use it. And if you want to share the product with somebody you feel needs this, would like to use this, has complained to you about their time management, has complained about other products, has maybe talked about data sovereignty. If you have people in your space talking about things like, oh hey, we're always using products like Google or Microsoft, and like, oh hey, we don't own our data. Oh hey, this is where this happens, right? This was built so that you can own your data, you can manage it, and you can learn more about yourself. Versus the Facebooks and the what knowing more about you than you know about yourself. I'm gonna go figure out the mobile one. But what did I want to say just now? Give me a second. This is so sad. I don't understand. What do I want to say now? Give me a second. Oh yeah, share, please. If you use the product you want to share, share it. If you want to share this video, share it. Like, please feel free. If you have feedback on how to make this better, leave it in the comments. Send me a direct message. Just please. I'm open. I'm willing. If you want to talk about something else, also after I send this to you, please let's talk about something else. Genuinely, I know nothing else to talk about. So here we are. But thank you so much for making the time. So thank you so much for making it this far. I would probably like cut the video somewhere because I just no, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you so much. Have yourselves a good one. Bye. There'll be more. There'll be more. There's so much more. It's just not task management, guys. It's just not.
It means that if we are in a community and you're doing something, even if somebody outside the community can do it better, cheaper, and faster, we buy from you. And when you get it wrong, we come to you, say you got this wrong, fix it. Then we buy again.
That's us.
It's called Fargin. Go and look it up. So the reason that's important is because now you got to understand our psychology. So what do? You start something and you sell. We buy it. Then we go on social media and go, futhi phukile lento ayisebenzi nokusebenza.
Sure.
Bekacabanga ukuthi wenzani. Futhi nala mateki wakhe mana amosheka fast.
Yeah.
Futhi nalokudla kwakhe akusimnandi nekuyadura unnecessary. Then we're the same people that go, but why is black wealth not growing?
This is the outro of the outro. So you just came from a video that I find like really cool. I just put it there just to give some more context on like what I'm really asking from you with all these videos I'll be sending you. It's just to give me some time. Yeah. I've been doing this for a while, for a really long time. And any feedback, any criticism, anything that you can provide to make this better would be hugely grateful. Just a little bit of suffering for like another like month or two and like using a crappy software because it's like it works, right? Like that bug I showed you, it's not there really because like I just checked it and it's gone and I'm not recording again. There's another episode that's coming out and I'll show how it's working. Like literally right after this. So yeah, but at the end of the day, I just genuinely want to pull off, I guess, the thing that we all dream of so much, right? And this has been achieved in small areas of our world and our lives. But I would like to pull this off, and I would like to pull this off with all of you. Yeah. I would really love like 10 years from now, there's like this product that like we're all using that like we molded, and we made our own, and like we're not at the back foot of anything. Like it is just our time, right? So yeah, so I just want to say thank you. I just wanted to say like for watching me ramble on like this, thank you also. But yeah, I will be sending quite a lot more of these to those of you that would like to get this feedback. Not feedback, sorry. Would like to get these videos as ways of me of keeping in touch with you, because this is going to be my daily bread, in and out. So like if you don't hear from me, if I'm quiet, just know I'm behind a computer just typing. So yeah, I'm building that. So yeah, it's really awesome. Thank you so much. Bye.
In the beginning, they fail every day, but they don't stop. They keep putting in the work, doing the hours. And then, one day, they don't fail at all. That's what entrepreneurship is. It's failing every day, over and over and over. And then one day, ekasibatu Bob.
Yes.
Now, to arc back to our people, because we grew up in a country where, you want retail, pick and pay is the comparison. You want banking, F&B is the comparison. You want construction, Murray and Roberts is the comparison. We don't know that if a Panwell starts a pick and pay, we must be kind to him and patient as he fails. Because one day, he's not going to fail at all. Amabhunu who understand that.
Yeah.
Kungakho nanamhlanje inkampani ziphuma kwaStellenbosch. It's because in that little enclave, they create a safe environment, a cocoon for you to fail.
Yeah.
I know guys who are startup founders in Stellenbosch who would be trending today if people knew what was happening with their businesses.
Sure.
But the community protects them. It says fail again and again and again. Tomorrow, a person is built Outsurance or King Price or this, and then we sit and complain and say, where are the black insurance companies? Right. I will tell you now, Pen, the liberation of black people is up to black people. It's not up to anybody else. If just we changed how we are with each other, that would change everything. Senkulumela, the person ohlala elokishini, who must make a decision today, and there's a store to your right, owned by umuntu ongasiyo nowakini, and a store to your left, and the one to your left is more expensive.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina kuwe, you go to the one to your left. So if we as a people have proven our ability to be communal in suffering, the verdict is out on whether or not we can be communal in prosperity.
One last one. I'm begging you, I'm just asking really nicely. If you want to share this, please share it, right? Share the video, share the product. Send them my number and have them like get annoyed that it's not helping them manage their tasks. Like we are here for you. It's not just me. There's like 3 others of us working on this. And we are actively putting in the work so that 20 years from now, I think that's 20 years from now, right? Because they say in 2050, the leading workforce will be in Africa. So that 20 years from now, we have ourselves protected in an angle of our data. Like it's a bigger picture thing. So just share, please. Like I will elaborate more on why we should be building our own and why we should be using this. I just don't want to bore you right now because I'm not taking up all of your time. So no, thank you. Like just share with whoever you would like to share. I beg.